Power of attorney is an important element here. What is power of attorney and how can this factor differently with those with COPD?
Powers of attorney is really one of the most fundamental basic legal documents every adult in our country must have, must. It's a legal document in which you, the principal or the grantor, designate a person that you trust, and that's really important, that you trust, called an agent, to take care of tax, legal, and financial matters if you cannot do so yourself. So, for example, if you have COPD and you have a flare-up and you're hospitalized for 3 weeks, Murphy's Law, nothing ever happens at a convenient time. It probably happens April 1st, and you got a tax return due April 15th. Well, if you have a properly done, durable power of attorney, durable means it works when you're disabled or have a period when you can't act, your agent could sign the tax returns that you, your accountant, H&R Block, TurboTax, whatever you do, prepared, so you get your tax returns filed and don't have a penalty. If you have a period where you're hospitalized or just at home and not really well enough to get about and do things that you need to do, your agent with an appropriate power of attorney can go to the bank and take care of transactions for you so that you don't run into a problem, penalties, defaults, and all sorts of other things. So designating a trusted person to take care of financial matters for you is really vital for everybody, and especially if you have COPD. Very important difference for somebody facing the challenges of a number of different chronic diseases that are commonly illustrated or marked with sudden, unexpected, unpredictable attacks like COPD. You have a flare-up, you have an attack for a period of time that nobody could foresee. You can't take care of things, but a month later you may be fine. How do you deal with those interim periods? That's something that a properly done attorney that's tailored for you with COPD can do. Most people, most lawyers, when they prepare these documents, envision, well, you're fine today, and for many years you'll be fine. Then one day you'll be old and not well and not be able to take care of things. But with COPD, you may be in your 40s, and I think that the average age of diagnosis is in your 40s now for COPD, that you may have a period of time that, 3 weeks this year, 2 weeks next year, a couple of times the year after, where an attack makes it hard for you to handle things. But other than those short duration periods, you're fine. Your document needs to be practically done to help you do that. And by the way, it all ties back to overall financial planning. If you're sick for a period of time because of a flare-up or hospitalized and you need someone to take care of matters for you, you also need your financial arrangements consolidated and simplified enough that somebody, whether it's a child, a friend, a cousin, whoever it is that you're trusting, can really step in and help. So that's what a power of attorney is, and that's how you need to plan for it specifically to address some of the challenges COPD may pose for you.